Smart homes are getting even more connected with appliances that now work with voice control. We're seeing a lot of really thoughtful integrations here at CES, like Whirlpool's new connected kitchen suite. The big news is an integration with the Yummly recipe app. The app uses your smartphone camera to identify what foods are in your fridge and then recommend recipes that you can make with them. Once you've chosen a recipe, Yummly will even preheat your oven and set your oven timer so you know exactly when your dinner is ready. Whirlpool's new fridge also talks to Amazon, so you can easily reorder your favorite foods. These appliances can also be controlled by Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, and that's actually something that's becoming pretty standard among the big kitchen appliance makers. Over at Kohler, personalization is key. Each member of your family can set their favorite temperature for your bathtub, your shower, and even your toilet. Another cool product is Kohler's new kitchen faucet, which lets you ask your favorite digital assistant to pour a select amount of water without you even having to touch the handle. All of these new products and features are really interesting, but are they necessary? We don't know yet. We're going to be following this trend really closely to see if this is something consumers will actually want to put in their homes.